Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of our daily lives, from the products we use to the services we receive. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to transform society in many ways, from improving healthcare to transforming transportation systems. As AI technologies continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, they will have a profound impact on society. Here are some of the ways that AI is likely to shape society in the future. First, healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that humans may miss, improving accuracy and reducing diagnosis times. AI can also help personalize treatment plans based on individual patient data, improving outcomes and reducing costs. Additionally, AI-powered robots can perform surgeries with greater precision and less risk, reducing recovery times and complications. Second, transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks powered by AI can reduce accidents caused by human error and improve traffic flow, reducing congestion and travel times. This can also increase access to transportation for people who cannot drive, such as the elderly or disabled. Additionally, AI can help optimize transportation networks, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Third, education. AI-powered tools can analyze student data and personalize learning plans based on individual strengths and weaknesses, increasing engagement and improving outcomes. AI can also help automate routine tasks such as grading, freeing up time for more personalized instruction. Additionally, AI can help educators identify areas for improvement in their teaching practices and materials. Fourth, manufacturing. AI-powered robots and machines can automate many tasks in manufacturing, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This can lead to increased production capacity and higher quality products. Additionally, AI can help optimize supply chains and logistics, reducing waste and improving sustainability. Fifth, finance. AI-powered algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and identify trends and patterns, helping financial institutions make better investment decisions and manage risk more effectively. Additionally, AI can help detect fraudulent activity more quickly and accurately, reducing financial losses and protecting consumers. Sixth, agriculture. AI-powered sensors and robots can monitor crops and soil conditions, optimizing irrigation and fertilization and reducing waste. This can lead to increased yields, reduced costs, and improved sustainability. Additionally, AI can help farmers make better decisions about planting, harvesting, and storage, reducing risk and increasing efficiency. Seventh, energy. AI-powered systems can optimize energy usage, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. This can lead to lower energy costs, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and increased sustainability. Additionally, AI can help manage energy grids more effectively, reducing the risk of blackouts and other disruptions. Eighth, entertainment. AI can personalize entertainment experiences, recommending movies, music, and other content based on a user's preferences and behavior. This can improve engagement and satisfaction. Additionally, AI can be used to create new forms of entertainment, such as virtual reality experiences, that would not be possible without AI technology. Ninth, security. AI-powered systems can help law enforcement agencies detect and prevent crime more quickly and accurately. For example, AI can analyze surveillance footage to identify suspicious behavior or detect weapons. Additionally, AI can be used to improve cybersecurity and protect against cyber attacks, such as detecting malware or phishing attempts. 10th, environment. AI-powered sensors and models can monitor the environment, predicting and mitigating natural disasters such as hurricanes or floods, identifying pollution sources and tracking wildlife populations. This can help protect the environment and promote sustainability. Additionally, AI can help optimize resource usage, such as energy and water, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Overall, AI has the potential to transform society in many positive ways, improving healthcare, transportation, education, manufacturing, finance, agriculture, energy, entertainment, security, and the environment. However, there are also potential risks and challenges associated with the widespread adoption of AI, such as job displacement and exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. Additionally, there are concerns about the privacy and security of personal data that is collected and analyzed by AI-powered systems. As AI continues to develop, it will be important to carefully consider these risks and develop policies and regulations to ensure that AI is used in ways that promote the common good. If you are new to our channel and like the video, then support this channel to grow and subscribe us to get more such amazing and informative videos ahead. And don't forget to hit the bell button so that you won't miss the update of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.